The A-AAgora Project aims to develop sustainable ecotourism approaches to protect and restore marine and freshwater environments. In Norway, the A-AAgora demo site is located at Karlsøy municipality in the Arctic Archipelago. This area is home to 600 islands, surrounded by a rich biodiverse sea and a diverse coastal culture. The nature in Karlsøy is unique, with rich populations of seabirds, fish and mammals, and 11 protected areas, safeguarding the biological diversity in the region, which are managed locally. Although biologically diverse, Karlsøy faces multiple threats as a result of human activities and climate change impacts, including declining bird populations, poor local fish stocks, and large underwater sea urchin deserts. To protect the local biodiversity and mitigate the negative impacts of climate change, A-AAgora is developing sustainable ecotourism initiatives to generate positive change in Karlsøy. The co-development of ecotourism in Karlsøy aims to create new livelihood opportunities, foster place attachment and in-migration, and strengthen connections with nature and enhance ocean literacy. The main activities being carried out by the A-AAgora Project to develop ecotourism in Karlsøy include a mapping of ecotourism opportunities in the area and associated new livelihoods. Ecotourism concept packages are also being co-developed and tested for the surrounding marine protected areas to mobilise the local tourism industry. Ecotourism concept packages include 1. Wild food foraging and culinary experiences, where tourists will learn to identify, harvest and prepare natural ingredients into delicious meals. 2. Arctic birdwatching and citizen science activities, to give visitors the opportunity to observe rare and popular bird species and other animals, and to record sightings and behaviours. And 3. Kelp forest restoration and diving trips, to allow tourists to contribute to restoring local marine ecosystems, removing the abundance of sea urchins and enhancing carbon storage. The success of ecotourism development in Karlsøy is influenced by a variety of different factors. These include ensuring collaboration with the local community to inspire joint efforts between researchers, tourist operators, administrators, schools and other local actors, and acquiring the relevant skills, capacity and community buy-in to mobilise locals. To ensure the long-term sustainability of these initiatives, ecotourism models are being integrated into the region's marine protected area plans. Through the A-AAgora Project, the development of ecotourism initiatives has brought positive impacts to both Karlsøy municipality and the local community. A-AAgora is empowering people in Karlsøy to drive sustainable economic development while actively protecting nature at the same time. The Norwegian demo site now stands as an inspiring example for other communities in Norway and across Europe, demonstrating how collaborative and innovative approaches to ecosystem-based management can create shared benefits for people and the environment alike.